Welcome to my channel. I'm Sister Slayage. If you're new here, welcome for the very first time, and I'm hoping that this will not be your last time kicking it with your girl. When I say kicking it like Bruce Lee, kicking it like David Beckham, kicking it like the police, kicking in the door of a drug dealer. So I'm glad you're here to kick it with me. If you're already a member, welcome back. It's wonderful to see you. And as I promised on my last video and the video before that, whenever the last time I did that video, I did say that if there was a collection that I felt that was worth reviewing, that was worth your money, and these are just based on my opinions, okay, I would review it. So today I am here with the MAC Cosmetics Bubbles and Bows collection. I think it's called Bubbles and Bows. Do not hold me to that, but I think that's what it's called. When you be there for so long, child, honey, everything just look the same and sound the same. However, this year I did feel that this collection was worth reviewing because this collection does have a lot of new colors. It's not laced with re-promotes like the last 5 years have been when it comes to MAC cosmetic collections. A lot of these are new formulas, new products, new names, new colors. Just gonna let you know, I did not get the entire collection because some of the things look a lot like what I already have, and y'all do not want me to do a makeup room tour because I promise you, I have a million neutrals, a million reds, and a billion pinks. I don't need a lot of things, but what I did do was I picked up the things that stood out to me the most, the things that I felt would be like highlights of the collection, and also I picked up a new formula that they had that I have on now, and I've had on for a little minute, and I do like the way it wears, and I'm going to go ahead and discuss that one first. So the first thing I have here is called Taste for Bubbles. Taste for Bubbles is a new lip balm. It is called the Fizzy Fizz Lip Balm. And the cool thing about this is the Fizzy Fizz Lip Balm, it does have a balmy feel, but it also has glitter infused in the lip balm, and it is very beautiful. Like the packaging, they did a really good job on the packaging, and after wearing this lip balm, the glitter is really infused in the lip balm. So it's not something that's just sparkly, and once you do one application, the sparkle's gone. Like, it's really in the product itself. It has these really pretty light reflects that reflect the light that reflect the light on the lips. Very comfortable to wear. Doesn't really give any color. This gives, I would say this is a universal lip balm. Anyone can wear this color and it will be flattering. So I have it on with the cork lip liner. I wanted it to be something more toned down, but you could wear with any lip liner you want. Or if you don't want to do a lip liner, that's your business. Ain't nobody gonna take you to jail for it now. But yes, I really do like this, and so far it has been very comfortable to wear. So the next thing that I picked up, this is the I Love Surprises eyeshadow palette. Excuse the little label. This is proof that I bought it with my own money. Nobody gave me anything. But this is the I Love Surprises eyeshadow palette. And the packaging comes with a cute little sleeve. And I mean, I'm a sucker for pink or any rendition of it, like pink, fuchsia, rose gold. It don't matter what variation of pink it is. I'm interested because pink's my favorite color. But y'all, take a moment to appreciate the packaging. It's so cute. It's a rose gold color packaging, and it's got these little bubbles, and it's like this plastic overlay over the package itself, and it has a bowl as an enclosure, and it opens up. Voila, baby. Isn't that too cute? And it has, wait a minute, make sure I'm counting right, 6 colors, and it's like a cool tone palette. But the cool thing about this palette is this color here in the middle. It's almost like a Tiffany blue almost. And I'll be the first, second, third, and the last person to tell you, I am not a huge fan of blues. I don't think blue really do me any justice. However, this was the most exciting color in this palette, was that Tiffany looking blue. I have it on my eyelid today, and I also have this color here. this deep color. And I'm gonna go through the names of the colors. The first one is Enchanted Beauty, which is that luster, which is here at the top. Then there's Looking for Bubble, which is this gold color here. Then there is Sequins and Sparkles, which is another luster color here. Naughty or Nice. Then there is Sequins Dress and Grand Royal. And no, Grand Royal is here and Naughty or Nice here. The satin, which is in the middle, which is the Naughty or Nice, which is that pretty blue color. I really don't like the way they have them named in the back, because it doesn't really tell you exactly where they're located at. So you have to kind of look at the formulas themselves. It does come with like a protective plastic wrapping on the mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch these. When it comes to the color payoff, they have a really nice pigmented color payoff, which this one here is the first one that I'm going to swatch. And the second one is just like this really pretty gold, kind of like a really sheer gold. This third one, it has kind of like pinky to it. It's like a pinky silver type get up, but it's really pretty how it reflects the light. It's almost like duochrome. So that's that one. Then we have the one here at the bottom, which is like this matte shade, which is just really a kind of like a black and gray. It's really pretty. It's a black and gray with kind of like a purple hue to it. Then the next one here is like this really pretty silver. So I'm gonna swatch that there. That's pretty. It's like a silver with kind of like a champagne look to it. And then the last one, which is like I was telling you, that Tiffany looking blue, which is the reason why I even had interest in the palette. Look at that. That is so freaking pretty. It's giving me Cinderella slipper. Like, that's what it's giving me. And these are the 6 shades that are in this palette. There is another palette that is more neutral and is more brown. I didn't pick that palette up because I have so many shades like that. My opinion may change towards the palette later. I'm not sure. But this was the one that I really, really wanted. So this one is the I Love Surprises palette times 6. And these retail for $32. They're full-size eyeshadows within the palette. So $32 is a really good deal. And of course, they're priced on the box. And this will make a really cute stocking stuffer if you have, oh, booby, demonetized. If you have, you know, this little Christmas party coming up and you got these dirty Santa, Secret Santa type get-ups and you want to spend less than $50, you can really go to town with this collection and you could, you know, save some coin. So the next thing I picked up 3 of the sparkler eyeshadows. The packaging is so cute. One is called Clink Clink, like champagne glasses. Then there's Ice Gold. And then there's another one, Don't Burst My Bubble. So we're going to start with Don't Burst My Bubble. And the packaging comes in just the traditional MAC eyeshadow shell. So here it is. And it does have like this little engraved design with little bows on it. It's really, really cute. And these are sparkler shadows. So it's safe to say they're the mixture between a extreme dimension eyeshadow and a dazzle shadow, which is the best way to describe it. So that one is really pretty. It's giving like a loose glitter type look, but it's got an eyeshadow formulation. You can apply these dry or wet, and this one is called Don't Burst My Bubble. It's a really soft gold, and that is a color that everyone can wear for sure. The next one is called Ice Gold. And Ice Gold, it's like a more deep gold. It's like got more brown to it. This one would be more flattering on deeper skin tones. Definitely more brassy. So a lot of people can wear it, but I feel this would be more flattering on deeper skin tones because, again, it may be too yellow, too brassy on someone who's more fair complected. So as you can see the difference, this was more gold, this is kind of more like a soft champagne look. Okay, and I got the last one, which is called Clink Clink. I really like Clink Clink, and sometimes I'm a little scared of like silvers and whites and frost color eyeshadows, but I've become very, very comfortable with cool tone eyeshadows, and this one is no exception. This one is called Clink Clink. It's like this white looking, like got like a silvery frosty hue to it, and it has like iridescent pink and green and purple in there. It's really pretty. I will say when it comes to this formula, it is a little more dry than the Extreme Dimension. So I recommend applying these wet or applying these over an eyeliner or a base to get the best color payoff. Now, the last thing that I bought, which I'm a sucker for neutrals. This was a pretty big collection. Of course, they're going to release other pieces as time goes on. They're going to release the, the Powder Kiss Vault, which they have new colors in the Powder Kiss. I'm excited about that. Everybody's like on this, this soft matte kick. I don't know who was the first to do it, but I can't wait to see the last people do it because I am sick of the shit. I am. However, I was happy that they did come out with new colors. Which brings me to the last thing that I purchased. It's called the Cheers to You Lip Glass and Lip Glass Kit Sparkling Wine. Which is so weird because, I mean, it's more neutral. It's definitely a neutral kit. It comes with a power glass, a pigmented lip glass, and a clear lip glass. Why didn't they just do a lipstick or a lip liner? I don't understand. But I'm going to give them grace because all of these are new colors. So I'm going to give them grace. I haven't opened this yet, of course. So the only thing that I have opened was the eyeshadow palette and that lip balm. Everything else is, you know, my first time opening. Of course, clear lip glass. How many of those do we have? I'm not swatching that shit. We know what a clear lip glass look like. All right. So the next one is this. I don't know why. Why? I gotta drink some wine after that. I'm over it. Okay. This one's called the Spritz. In the Spritz. Or in the Spirits. I don't know. It's too small. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. When y'all get to a certain age, your vision is gonna give up on you. I'm just letting you know, whatever high expectations you have for your vision, when you turn 35, every year after that, lower your expectations by 10 notches. Okay? So by the time you're 40, lower the shit to 50% expectations. Like, because my vision is like really going bye-bye. But this is the neutral lip glass. Nothing special. It kind of put me in the mind of Dangerous Curves, which is something we already seen before. But I needed another neutral lip glass, and that's what it looks like. It's giving me Dangerous Curves mixed with Spite. So if Dangerous Curves and Spite had a baby, it would be this one here. Can't wait to wear it because I'm a sucker. A whole sucker with gum in the center for neutrals. Now, the thing that excited me the most, believe it or not, was the Power Glass. I have gotten to a point to where I'm starting to appreciate lip plumpers a lot more. As I age, my lips do kind of get a little wrinkly. So lip plumpers really help kind of fill me out a little bit because I refuse to get Botox or fillers again. I don't have fillers in my lip, but I do have fillers in my face. Years ago, I lost a lot of weight. My face was sinking in. I looked like a skeleton / Jeffree Star's baby sister on his auntie, baby mama, next door neighbor side of the family. I didn't look good. So I got fillers, and I don't regret them, but I mean, I'm not getting them again. So, this is that pretty lip Power Glass, and it's like this really pretty shimmery gold, and she's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's gonna look good on whoever puts her on. Like, yeah. But the total of all these things was $145, which isn't bad considering the fact that a lot of things I did get. There are plenty other kits they have. Of course, they have the brush sets, and they have other lipsticks, other eyeshadows, plenty of liquid powder kits. They didn't have a lot. I don't think they had any retro mattes come with this collection. I know the Velvet Teddy box is going to have one. But as far as like retro mattes, they didn't really have any this year. It was mainly Powder Kiss, luster lipsticks, and lip glosses. So that was pretty much what they had so far when it comes to the lip products. There is another eyeshadow palette. It's a larger eyeshadow palette that's available online. We didn't get it at the counter. No big deal. I didn't need to spend no extra money anyway. But yeah, those are the things that I did get. I skipped the brush set, even though it is very cute. But I have so many brushes, and I don't really use travel brushes a lot, so I did not purchase that. The lipsticks within the collection, I may change my mind, but right now as it stands, I'm probably gonna skip out on those because those are like reds and neutrals, and I'm looking at a wall full of lipsticks right now, and God knows I don't need any more. I only got 2 lips on my face. The other ones I wouldn't recommend putting lipsticks on it, but why am I so inappropriate? Anyway, thank y'all for tolerating me for I don't know how many minutes. But thank y'all for tolerating me. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you're going to pick up or what you have picked up. These things I felt were worth my money. If y'all want to know if it was worth my money, it was worth my money. I can't speak on everything else because if it was worth my money, I would have got it. But I am about to go party and put my titty away. But I'm about to go enjoy life. Because in this dress, I think I'm Mariah Carey's little sister. All right. Love y'all. Bye.